everyone, and welcome to the Twinkl Kids TV's handwriting guides. Today, we're going to be learning how to write the letter A. Practice yourself at home with a pencil and paper. Make sure you're sitting down and holding your pencil comfortably. To write the letter A in lowercase, start at the top and draw a loop all the way around, and then draw a short line down. Let's try that one more time. Now, see if you can do it by yourself. Well done! You can also write a capital letter A for starting sentences or writing a name. To write a capital letter A, start at the bottom and draw a diagonal line up and then a diagonal line down in the opposite direction. Then, take your pen off the paper and draw a short horizontal line in the middle. Let's try one more time. Now see if you can have a go by yourself. Great work! Check out more of our handwriting guides to learn how to write all the letters of the alphabet.